Hi, this is Melanie from Hook to the Left, and today we're going to find out who won the Crochet World magazine. So let's go ahead and get started. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I just wanted to let you guys know, since I didn't get it done on Sunday. So sorry about that. I was sick as a dog. I am feeling so much better. So I wanted to get to you guys who won the Crochet World magazine. So like always, I'm going to put over here somewhere the recording from my phone, and I have already gone to YouTube and gotten the link to paste in. Wait, first let me record this. Remember that one time that I didn't record it and I couldn't show you guys? Yeah, I don't want to do that again. So, let me record. Okay, so let me go ahead and paste in the link. Paste, paste, paste. There we go. And filter out duplicate users. And then let's get the YouTube comments. Alright, come on now. Oh, I was pressing it several times and didn't realize it had gotten comments. So, anyway, there were 70 unique comments, you guys. You guys really want that magazine. That's awesome. Let's go ahead and see who won. As it goes and goes and goes. Oh, exciting. So, the winner is Christy L. Congratulations, Christy. Just go ahead and email me your address so I can get this magazine over to you, and I'll ship it out just as soon as I can. But Christy said, I'm no sewer, but I'd like to try the Tunisian crochet bag. Wasn't that awesome looking? You're more brave than I am, because I don't know if I could try that one. And that's a little bit down the road for me. It looks very stylish. Thank you, Melanie, and good luck to everyone. So, congratulations, Christy. Thanks so much for entering my giveaway. I really appreciate it. Everybody else, know that there's another one coming out, because you know my husband, for one whole year, I get 2 every month. So, keep an eye out towards the end of this month for another chance to win this month's, or actually it's next month's, Crochet World magazine. Okay, so until then, I do have a couple of other giveaways going on. I just released one today, and that is for the Darn Good Yarn box number 9. And then I also have my 1K giveaway, so don't hesitate to get over there if you haven't entered that one yet. Okay, and then on Saturday morning I will be live at 11 a.m. so join me then, and we can chit chat and get to know each other better. And again at 5 p.m. we're going to be here this week on my channel, and that's with the Yarn Hookers, and I can't wait to see you then. But anyway, if you guys enjoy this kind of content and like this video, then go ahead, go down below, hit that subscribe button, and hit the bell so you're reminded every time I come out with new content, and tap that like button if you enjoyed. Thank you so much for visiting me today. I really appreciate each and every one of you. You guys have an amazing day. Bye bye.